If you want to learn how to DM someone in X.com, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to open a direct message, start a new chat, and send your message in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to contact a friend, customer, creator, or anyone else on X without posting publicly. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu. On the left side, you'll see the chat option. Click Chat to open your direct messages area. This is where all your private conversations are stored, and it's also where you can start a brand new message. After you open Chat, you'll see a list of people you've already spoken to, along with an option to create a new conversation. If you want to message someone you've already chatted with before, just click on their name from the list. That will open the conversation right away, and you can type your message in the text box at the bottom. Then simply press Send, and your message will be delivered instantly. If you want to DM someone new, look for the New Chat option. Click New Chat, and then search for the user you want to message. Type their username or name into the search field, then select the correct profile from the results. Once the chat opens, type your message in the message box and send it. That's all there is to it. A few quick tips. Make sure you're messaging the correct account before you send anything, especially if the name is common. Also, remember that some accounts may have message settings that limit who can DM them. So if you don't see the option to start a conversation, that could be the reason. If the message doesn't go through, double-check that you're signed in and that the person allows direct messages. And if you're using X on mobile, the process is very similar, so you can still find Chat, start a new chat, and send your message the same way. So to recap, just click Chat on the left navigation, choose the user you want to DM, or click New Chat, type your message, and send it. That's the fastest way to DM someone in X.com. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.